Pasumai Puratchi, how to make seed balls vidai pandugal at home. Learning to make seed balls is great activity for kids. Yes, it's fun, easy to do and can be easily adapted to the environmental needs of the community. Seed balls or seed bombs is just packing of seed up what it needs to germinate. Some people use seed balls or seed bombs as a form of guerrilla gardening. Toss the balls into the areas that are desolate or can be tossed into existing crops. This method made famous by a Japanese no-till farmer and philosopher. He sowed his seeds on the surface of soil. He developed a method where he coated all of his seeds in clay and packed them up with what they needed to germinate instead of having to bury them.